Now let's solve for x here. Given 8 raised to log x minus 2 raised to log x equals to 5 factorial. Okay, so let's see what to do here. 8 raised to log x minus equals to 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is same as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and we have 8 raised to the x minus 2 raised to x. So on this side will be 5 for 20, 20 times 3, 60, 60 times 2 is 120. So this side remains as that. Okay, now the powers here are equal and they are making the work complicated, so let's take them out. So let m be log x. So in going back, this side will bear the m and this side too will also bear same. So we have 8 to the power m minus 2 to the power m equals to 120. Now let's change this one to 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 times m minus 2 to the power m equals to 120. So when we have 8 to the power n times m, the same as 8 to the power m all times that. So we can say 2 to the power m all raised to 3 minus 2 to the power m equals to 120. Okay, so let's do one more substitution as we represent 2 to the power m by another variable. Let k to the power m. So we have k's cube minus k equals 120. All right. Now check the left hand side. Something cube minus that thing. So can we also adjust this one? Can I say 125 minus 5? Yes, 125 minus 5 is 120. Why choosing 125 minus 5? Because 125 can be written as, or can be expressed as 5 to the power 3, which will match this one. K cube minus k. So k cube minus k the same as 5 cube minus 5. So let's send everything in. K cube minus 5 cube, I want to pair with this, minus k plus 5 equal to 0. Now from here we can say k cube minus 5 cube. So we can say minus k plus 5. I'm sorry, k minus 5. Because if I remove the bracket, this side turn to plus. I have that. So we have difference of cubes when given a cube minus b cube is same as a minus b. Then we have a squared plus the product of the two, ab plus b squared. So from here, k minus 5 k squared plus 5k plus 25, and we have minus 5 k minus 5 equal to 0. So we can factorize k minus 5 here, k minus 5. So I will have with k squared plus 5k plus 25 minus 1 equal to 0. So k minus 5 k squared plus 5k, so this side will be 24 equal to 0. So with the 0 product, k minus 5 equal to 0, or k squared plus 24 equal to 0. Okay, so the right answer is 5. Let's go to 5. Now let's check the next two answers and see. So we have k squared 5k, and we have that. Okay, so let's use the almighty formula. So we have a as 1, b as 5, c as 24. So we have minus 5 plus or minus b squared 25 minus 4 times 1 times 24. So 4 times 24 will be 96 on 2 times 1, 2. So 96 minus 25, 25 minus 96 will be, this side will be 71. Minus 5 plus or minus 71 on 2. So this one, because of this, to be complex. Okay, so we can reject this one, but the final answer will be minus 5 plus or minus with 71i on 2. So that is the next answers for k. But let's focus on the resolution k equals 5 and see how best we can complete the question. So the resolution is 5. Remember we did this. K equals 2 to the power m. So k is 5, same as 2 to the power m. So let's take log on both sides. 5 equals to log to the power m. This one is a power rule, m log 2 log 5. So m will be log 5 on log 2. Now when you have log x on log y, the same as log x to base y. So this one is log 5 to base 2. Now that is m. But let's go back. M is also log x. So let's conclude. M is also log x. So m is also log x. So m is log 5 to base 2. Now if before that, if we had to solve for, let me put the value of m here, log 5 to base 2. If you had to solve for x, now the base is 10, the base will raise just 1, that would be x equals to 10 raised to m. But m, 10 raised to log 5 to base 2. As simple as that. Alright, subscribe for more.